Here are 5 ways that you can make money by learning Bubble.io. The first option is the most simplest, easiest option. It's by building applications for yourself. Businesses, SaaS businesses, marketplaces, you name it. With the skill set of learning and knowing Bubble.io, you can build any of these businesses that can generate money for you, whether on a one-time or a monthly recurring basis. Number 2, agency work. Whether you're working for an agency as a freelancer or you own your own agency, you can make a lot of money working as a Bubble developer. I personally bill at $125 an hour, and I have worked my way up from $75 an hour. That's a lot of money that you can make from a freelance basis by knowing Bubble.io. Number 3, working for a company, a SMB, a startup, something like that, where they pay you full time to work as a Bubble developer. I have previously worked at 2 different companies working full time as a Bubble developer. And 2 years ago, my starting salary was $100,000 back then. I'm not going to tell you what my last one was, but it was pretty good and I really enjoyed it. Number 4, building templates for Bubble.io. Bubble has a fantastic template marketplace where you can go and buy templates. Most of the templates cost $100 to $150. If you build that template as a Bubble.io developer, and then you put that template into the marketplace, other people can go and buy that template from you in a digital sale, and you can make $100 to $150 per template. Now, Bubble takes a small commission. I think it's around 20%, but they do send a lot of traffic to that marketplace, and you can make some good money there. Number 5, you can make money from Bubble.io as an educator, educating other people on how to build with Bubble like I'm doing to you now. And as I've done for the last several years, I have courses, my beginner course, my professional courses, my coaching services. You can make a lot of money teaching people how to use Bubble.io once you know how to use Bubble really well. That's 5 ways that you can make a lot of money by learning Bubble.io and being really good at Bubble.io. And so by learning this skill set, you have a tremendous amount of ways to make a lot of money, and you can do many of those things at the same time, like I do myself. So I encourage you to learn Bubble, whether you're already learning Bubble and you've already built some applications, or if you're thinking about learning it for the first time. I can help you with both of those scenarios. The first scenario where you're already learning, take one of my courses, my professional courses, workflows, databases, product security. All of those are 4 to 5 hours of premium content each that go in depth how to build in this specific niche really well and offer certifications. Once you take those and get certified, it's much easier to build or sell yourself as a professional that can attract top dollar for each of your freelance, education, consulting, all those kinds of rates. Or if you're looking to get started for the first time building a Bubble, you need to take my Bubble beginner course. I'm going to take you from zero to building a fully functioning SaaS application in this 15 to 20 hour course. So it's going to take you some time, probably 5 hours of training a week for the next month, 2 months, 3 months. But by the end of it, you will be able to build businesses yourself. You'll be able to work as a freelancer. You'll be able to do a lot of the things to make money as a Bubble developer that I just listed by learning this skill set. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Learn this new skill, master this skill, and it will unlock a ton of value for you along the road. I'll see you later.